I want to share with you how to make bias tape. There's this fabulous little bias tape maker from Clover, and this happens to be the 1/4 inch one. So that was the size I was needing when I made my quilt. So I'll show you what to do. You have cut a bias strip, and this one has to be a 1/2 inch wide. I need to thread it in here. And I find sometimes I have to push it in with the, there we go. And there's a little sliver right here, and you can see that little bit of pink. And so I can push it till it comes through. This will feel tedious at first. Now we're ready to go. And you can see the little tail of my bias strip. And this is all stretchy because it's on the bias, but that's what we want. So I'm going to turn this around, and the strip will be on this side. And I have steam in my iron. So I put the tip of my iron right next to the bias strip maker, and I pull out about a 1/2 inch, and I just keep going. And all the time we're pressing this strip. Okay, I'm going to stop now. And you can see this lovely little piece of bias that the edges are turned under. And I hand stitch those in place. I do keep my bias strip maker and the direction sheet in a little Ziploc bag because I don't always remember 6 months down the road exactly how wide to cut the strip. Thank you.